Hi traders, this is Aleks FX. I'm trading the beginner strategy on the pound US dollar. This is a daily chart we're currently looking at, and you can see we've been in a nice uptrend. We broke this up fractal, we pulled back, and then we broke through and closed above this area of resistance here. So see the candle close above that level. We also have price coming up into this key area of resistance, so something I would just want to be wary of. If we move to the 4-hour chart now, you can see we've been in a nice uptrend. Fractals broken to the upside, and you see that close above this level right over here. That's the level that's currently acting as support. See resistance, broke through, acting as support, bullish candle action at that area. On the 30-minute chart, you can see the candle is broken to the upside, so the fractal broken up there is now indicated the direction is up, and that's where the direction changes down. On the 5-minute chart, you can see we've had a nice pullback, giving us a trading opportunity, broken down fractal. And this fractal right over here, this is where we're looking to enter long on that break. Now, obviously, we've just had that break up. And you can see the working order in the platform. There's the green line. There's the stop at the most recent down fractal. And the take profit up at the most recent pivot. So we've had a nice bullish close. Here's 5-minute candle, nice bullish close here above this area right over here. See, it's acted as support and then back to resistance. Then we've closed back above. So I'd look for that level to hold as support if it comes back. Alright, so you see how it's come back. It's tested that level of support. So this is where I would expect buyers to come in again. However, we need to clear through this level of resistance. See this micro level right here. Price needs to move back above, and then we have this level of resistance above us before we can get paid. So we'll wait and see if price can just stay above this. A nice close above this level will be very good for our trade. Just see what happens now in the next few minutes. Alright, so there's a nice pop up. You can see 2 candles closed, nice bullish pop up into that resistance. We haven't closed above this level just yet. However, it's looking pretty good. But we'll just need to wait and see. You see how we're trading the range. We came off this level of support pretty nicely. Here's the 30-minute chart. Nice candle action there. You see this bullish pop-up. Nice close up towards the highs here. No signs of selling just yet, which is a good sign. So we're currently just over a pip up. Oh, now price is breaking up nicely here. I need to see a nice close. That's really going to tell us that the buyer's on control. We've got this little level over here, this dealing area, level of supply or resistance, where price is currently bouncing from. So we really need to see a close. The 30-minute candle that we just looked at is quite bullish, so I would expect a nice pop-up here. Just watching to see if we can get a close now. It's really going to tell us who's in control. There's the close now. And this level that we've marked at this highlight area, I want to see it act as support. So if we pull back, I'd like to see the buyers come in and then push through this area of resistance above us. But we're still in a bit of a danger zone in terms of where we could see the sellers. You can see how we've pushed off this. See that wick? Really looking for a nice close back above this area. We're not looking for much in terms of the trade. It's about 10 pips overall. See this candle action here on the 15-minute chart. Nice bullish price action. And here's the 30-minute. See that last candle close right up towards the highs. So we're really just into this little 5-minute of resistance at the moment. But it's looking like it wants to pop. But we can see here the price pulling right back off that resistance level. Need to see a close above this area. It's very, very important to see if the buyers are going to keep price above the support level. Alright, so there you can see price has actually stayed above. That's good for the trade. Now we need to see price clear through this area of resistance. So we're really stuck between support and resistance. That wick below us coming off support is good. A good sign that we could see a pop higher. There's a 30-minute chart. Still signs of bullish price action here. Just going to see if we can take these highs out now. I'm back to the 5-minute chart. Just really waiting to see what's going to happen. Nice pullback here, and you see that rejection off support. You see this big bullish wick. Nice candle action there telling us there's some decent buying pressure coming in there. See, we haven't been able to close below the level, but we're still stuck between resistance and this micro level of support, and it needs to clear before we can get a pop up to get paid. So just watching this close, you're currently up a few pips. Alright, so there's the rejection there, right up into resistance. That bullish price action's looking really nice, and with a bit of luck we can see a pop higher. What I'm going to do is take off half my position here at resistance. So I've just taken off 7 pips there. You see our prices, it's just kind of slowed down at this level, which tells me we're likely to see a bit of a pullback now. Obviously we never know what's going to happen. We've got a potential close over here, right there, so we can reduce some risk on the trade. So we've already taken quite a nice chunk of risk out of this trade, and we've got a very, very small stop on this. So we'll actually make money if we come back now and get stopped. And you see, price is battling at this resistance level. So price is putting right back on us, and you see that resistance level. We took profits. Good idea to take profit over there, and you see our prices come right back, pretty much into our entry, almost stopping us out here. Need to see what happens. Remember, anything can happen in the marketplace. See how we've closed above this level here on the 30-minute chart. We've closed above this area of support on the left. So I think we should see some buyers come in. Whether or not that's going to happen before we get stopped is a different story. So we're seeing some bids hit the market. You see this little micro level gets acting as resistance. See, it was support. Now back to resistance. Need to see that hold, and a candle close like we've just had now is what we're looking for. So nice bullish sort of engulfing outside bar there, and hopefully you can see that fractal there. If it forms, we're not going to basically do anything in terms of risk because it's the same number, but we're stuck between, we're above that level holding a support now, and we need to see this area of resistance cleared. It's looking decent, but we're still stuck in this range. Higher time frame, you see this range right here. High time frame, the 30 and the hourly chart, looks like we should take a leg up. Alright, so nice pop up here. We've literally just missed our take profit here by a fraction of a pip into these highs, and we're seeing some offers come in the market here. This is a little bit unfortunate that we haven't hit our take profit. I'm just going to wait and see what happens with this candle close now. If we close below this level, I'm going to take the remainder of this position off. Alright, I'm going to close this off now. Okay, so we close that for just under 7 pips. There's the trades on the chart, and we just you can see that line there, that little dash line. That was the take profit. It's missed it by an absolute fraction of a pip there, and it's pulled back. So that area, a little bit unfortunate. I'll probably see some sellers come in there again, but you can see the two trades there that were taken off. So quick recap: market direction was up, so we're looking for buying opportunities on the 30-minute chart, and then on the 5-minute chart we got the pullback, and we broke to the upside right over here. Remember, we add the spread +1 for a breakout to the upside, and we took profit off of it at resistance, and then the remainder we've literally taken it off with price missing us on that second point. You see that pullback pulled right back. We reduced risk, and then it's literally just missed us. So I've taken it off with that close back below the range. I think it's a safer move. So overall average of about 7 pips, just under 7 pips on the trade. I'm Aleks FX, and I hope you enjoyed watching.